Well, that's the beauty of being in New York. I mean, it's not to say they're not great musicians all over the world, in every town and city in America, but you come to New York, man, and you're going to meet really, really good players.
When I was young, I saw Gene Krupa at the Metropole.
Oh, the Metropole.
And that's how far back I'm going. And just to watch this guy on the drums, it was, oh my God, it was watching the stuff in person. Like when I was a limo driver, I never really saw a classical concert. I was driving Leonard Bernstein at the time, and he took me up to Connecticut, and he was conducting this beautiful philharmonic up in Connecticut. Took me to the green room. I watched the show, and to watch these guys play this symphony, it blows you away. You know, people go, "Ah, it's garbage or whatever." They don't understand it. But even ballet, when I was a limo driver again, the first ballet I saw, my customer would say, "Come on in," and you watch these guys perform, and they're athletes.
Oh,
It's just incredible.
the ordinary athletes.
And with the musicians, they're doing this philharmonic. It was unbelievable.